Hello learners, welcome to class 10th. Well, I'm Hemlata and I wish you a long life. Alright dear, let's see. This scholar, this time I have a lesson, The 100 Dresses Part 1 by L. Bosher Esther. This scholar, this is the name of the chapter and this is the picture of writer L. Bosher Esther. As you are watching here, dresses. The chapter is related to dresses. Okay, this is a story about a girl, Wanda. Alright, dear scholar, let's quickly revise previous video. Dear scholar, you must have read earlier that the lesson 100 Dresses is about a girl. This is the lesson of a girl named Wanda. Name Wanda. Alright, dear. The title is The 100 Dresses means 100 dresses. Alright dear, 100 dresses. Wanda. Talking about Wanda. Wanda is a Polish girl. Okay. She is a native of Pole. She is Pole. Pole is a person who belongs to Poland. Alright dear scholar. As you are watching, Wanda was a poor Polish girl. Okay, Pole is a person belongs to Poland. Poland is a country in Europe. Alright, dear scholar, actually her parents were Polish. Okay, she along with her parents migrated to USA. USA. Alright, let's see. Here is her parents were Polish who left Poland. Parents were Polish. Polish is called why? Actually, they belong to Poland country. Alright. They migrated to where? America. They left Poland, okay, to settle down where in America. Alright. Let's quickly revise characters. Wanda. This is the picture of Wanda. Peggy. Maddie, best friend of Peggy. Miss Mason, class teacher. Alright. Now let's see summary. This corner. Now let's see what happened in this story. Let's read. The 100 Dresses Part 1 by L. Bosher Esther. Alright, dear scholar. Let's see summary. Heading 1. Wanda Petronsky and her classmates. Alright, dear scholar, as you are watching, here is picture. Okay, this is a picture of Wanda and her classmate. Okay, this is picture of Wanda. I wish to tell you Wanda. Wanda. Alright, this is picture of Wanda. Wanda Petronsky was a poor Polish girl. This scholar, I have told earlier that poor Polish girl, she belongs to Poland. Okay, therefore she was called Pole or Polish. Alright, she came from Bogenscheit. Dear scholar, she along with her family migrated to USA. Okay, she left Poland with her family to settle down in America. Okay, Wanda Petronsky was a poor Polish girl. She came from Bogenscheit. Bogenscheit is the name of place where were poor people lived. Alright, she joined an American school. This scholar, she Wanda along with her parents, okay, they left Poland and migrated to America. Alright. She joined an American school. In fact, she was teased by her classmates because she was different from other girls in many ways. Dear scholar, Wanda Petronsky, she joined. Okay, let's quickly revise. Wanda Petronsky was poor Polish girl. Polish, okay, Polish people. Polish refers to people. Okay, Polish person. Okay, who belongs to Poland. She with her family. Okay, migrated to America. They left Poland. They left Poland and migrated to USA. They went to USA. Okay, and later on she joined which school? American school. In fact, okay, in fact, well, her classmates made fun of her as she was different. How she was different? Look, her name was uncommon. Her name was different from the other girls, from the other students. She was a quiet girl and had no friends. She wore the same blue dress every day. This scholars she used to put on the same blue dress every day in the school. Okay, mostly the student used to tease her. Okay, they made fun of her. All right, or you could say they were used to laugh at her. Alright, as she was different from others. Alright, in many ways. Alright, dear scholars. Let's moving on next para. This is the scene of classroom. Right? This is the scene of classroom. Wanda used to sit in the corner of the classroom where noisy and rough boys sat. Dear scholar, she used to sit where? In the corner of the classroom where noisy and rough boys sat who got low marks in all the subjects. There was lot of dirt. There was lot of dirt. Alright. There was a lot of dirt and mud in that area where Wanda used to sit. Alright. It was Monday. Wanda Pentonski was absent but nobody noticed. Okay. Peggy, Madeline here, Maddie. Nobody noticed her absence. Alright. It was in room number 13. Which room number, dear scholar? Room number 13. Alright. It was in room 13. Alright. Alright, dear scholar. Room number 13. Alright. Moving on next para. Wanda, though a quiet girl. Dear scholar, Wanda was quiet girl, silent girl. Alright. Wanda was quiet girl. Okay. She used to speak very less. Wanda. Alright, dear scholar, talking about Wanda. Okay, Wanda nature. Wanda, though a quiet girl, she used to be mostly silent. But spoke a lot about 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. This is the picture of dresses which about Wanda used to talk. And this is the picture of 60 pairs of shoes. They are in different colors. Okay, different design. Alright. Let's repeat. Wanda, though a quiet girl, spoke a lot about 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. She told the girl that the 100 dresses, the dresses made of velvet or silk. This is the picture of velvet or silk. Alright, signing is here. All had different colors and design. All had different color and design. She especially mentioned her two dresses, one pale blue with color trimming and other bright green bright green with red sash. Bright green with red sash. She used to talk about 100 dresses. Actually, she was boasting. Okay, 100 dresses. Especially, she used to tell about 2 dresses. Bright, okay, blue trimming, bright green with red sashes. These were red sash means lashes. Later on, I will show the picture. Alright. Moving on, next heading, Peggy and Maddie. Peggy and Maddie, as you are watching, this is the picture. Okay. Peggy and behind her, Maddie. Alright. And here, this is the picture of, Wanda. Peggy and Maddie were close friends. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty and intelligent. She often made fun of Wanda by asking her question. What about 100 dresses? Dear scholars, she often made fun of Wanda. Okay, she used to make joke on Wanda by asking what about 100 dresses. Alright, dear scholar. Let's see. Maddie was poor girl. Maddie, her friend, was also a poor girl. She wanted Peggy to stop teaching Wanda. Alright, dear scholar. Actually, Maddie was also a poor girl and she wanted to stop Wanda. Okay. Her wish not to teach to Wanda. Alright. Might be she was feeling bad. Maddie was feeling bad when Peggy made fun of Wanda. Alright. They stayed after the school to mock Wanda, but they noticed she was absent. Please call Wanda used to go to school. Okay. While Wanda used to go to school, the children, or you could say Peggy and Maddie, they used to wait for Wanda so that they could teach her. Another hand, I wish to say Maddie. Maddie was poor, but she didn't like to teach Wanda. Alright, dear scholar. Moving on, next page. 100 Dresses Part 1 by L. Bosher, Esther. Alright. The drawing competition. Dear scholar, there was drawing competition in the school. Alright. Here you are watching, this is the picture of drizzling. Okay. Raining lightly. Alright. Next day, it was drizzling. Means raining. Peggy and Maddie didn't want to be late, so they didn't wait for Wanda to teach her. There was a drawing competition for everyone in the school. Boys had to draw a motorboat and girls dress. This was there was a competition in the school for boys. They had to draw what motor and for girls dress. Right? Everybody thought of Peggy too. Everybody thought that who would win? Peggy would win. Okay. As she do really well every time. As Peggy was talented girl, so everybody was thinking might be Peggy would win the contest with drawing competition. Alright dear. Moving on next. Miss Mason announced the winner. Dear scholar, this is the picture of Miss Mason, class teacher. Okay, she was the class teacher of Wanda. Alright, here this is the picture of class, scene of class. And Wanda was absent for some days. Wanda was absent, actually she was absent for 2 days. Okay, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, Wednesday, the third day, Peggy and Maddie, they observed that Wanda was absent. Alright, this is the scene of classroom, Miss Mason. Everybody drew beautifully in the class in bright colors. Alright. Everybody drew beautifully in the class in bright colors. The class had assembled and the class teacher Miss Mason announced the winner of the drawing contest. Yes, scholar. Miss Mason, she announced the result of drawing competition. Alright. Who announced the result of drawing competition? Miss Mason. Alright dear. Miss Mason. Now let's read. Jack Pagels was the winner among the boys. Dear scholar, here this is the picture of Jack Pagels. Okay, Jack Pagels. He was the winner among the boys. Alright, Jack. Everybody especially, wait please, Jack Pagels. Talking about Jack Pagels here. This is the picture of Jack. Okay. Besides Peggy. He was the winner among the boys. Alright. And Wanda Petronsky was the winner in girls. Among the boys, who was winner, dear scholar? Who was the winner? Boys. Name? Name, dear scholar? Jack Pagels. Okay, Jack. And among girls, who was winner? Wanda. But she was absent for some days. Alright. Let's look ahead. Ready? Wanda Petronsky. Alright. Winner in the girls. Everybody, especially the judge, were immensely impressed by her drawing, and each of her drawing was capable of winning the contest individually. Dear scholar, Wanda Petronsky, she had submitted 100 dresses. How many dresses? 100 dresses. And every dress was beautiful, fantastic, magnificent. Alright. Talking about the judge were impressed by her drawings. Okay. Actually, the classmates, they thought that Peggy would win in the which contest? Drawing contest. Alright dear. But who was the winner in this competition? Wanda Petronsky. Wanda Petronsky. She was the winner among all the girls. Alright dear. Let's repeat. Actually, all the students, they thought Peggy would win in the drawing competition. But who was the winner in girls? Wanda. Not Peggy. Alright. Who was winner? Wanda. Not Peggy. She was talented, but she was not winner. Alright. Children were shocked when Miss Mason announced the result that day. Alright. Let's see now her classmates' reaction. What was the reaction of the classmates? What was the reaction of the children in the classroom? Everybody in the class clapped. Okay dear. As you watching here the picture, this is the picture of clapping. Alright, C-L-A-P, clap. Miss Mason, class teacher, Miss Mason asked her students, okay, she asked to every student for a special clap, a special applause for Wanda as she had submitted how many dresses? 100 dresses, 100 dresses, and every dress, every sketch, okay, her every drawing was fantastic, magnificent. Alright. Everybody clapped for Wanda enjoyed. They found that all the dresses she used to describe were there. This is the scene of classroom, right? Look in their classroom on the wall. How many sketches? How many drawings she had drawn? 100 dresses. 100 dresses drawn by Wanda. Alright. Therefore, Miss Mason asked the student for special applause. Okay. And every student they clapped for Wanda for her special drawing skill. Alright. Who was the winner? Wanda, not Peggy. Alright. Wanda used to describe her dresses. All were there as one different color, different design. That all were made by Wanda. The green velvet one, the green velvet one, the blue one, the blue dress, the red one also. Dear scholar, here is the written. All the dresses used to describe were there. All the dresses. The green velvet one, the blue one, and the red one also there. Okay. Here, as you are watching, there is this is called red color. This is sash. Okay. The dress in which color? Green color with red sash. Okay, red one also there. Alright. Dear scholar, talking about 100 dresses. Alright. Now, dear scholar, let's see with the green velvet, the blue one and the red one. Alright. The boys whistles with finger in their mouth. Peggy said that she had thought she could draw the same like Wanda. Dear scholar, now let's see. Let's quickly revise, dear scholar. In the classroom, everybody thought that Wanda would win in the drawing competition, drawing contest. But who was the winner? Wanda was winner, not Peggy. Alright. As Wanda was, okay, she was the best girl, she was the popular girl, okay, she was also intelligent. So, the boys and she thought she would win in this drawing competition. But who was the winner? Wanda. Who was the winner, dear scholar? Wanda. Dear scholar, now God bless you. See you later.